In the city that never sleeps, stress doesn't stop when the lights go out. Daily pressures and worries often follow us to bed, leading to restless nights and morning discomfort. But there's a solution that can help you find peace in the quiet hours.
Introducing the Aligner32 Night Guard, your partner in nighttime protection.
Crafted with precision, its custom-fit design ensures it feels like it's made just for you. So comfortable, you'll hardly even notice it's there, allowing you to fall asleep without effort. Through the night, it works silently, guarding your teeth from the strain of stress. Wake up free of jaw pain, tension, and discomfort, and start your day with renewed energy and confidence. Aligner32 Night Guard, because your nights deserve as much care as your days. Transform your nights, protect your smile, and experience the difference.